Pinangunahan ng mga Pilipino ang isang business forum sa Toronto na dinuluhan ng Minister of Small Businesses at Philippine government officials. Ito raw ay isang plataforma para tulungan ang mga negosyo sa gitna ng bantang taripa ni US President Donald Trump. May report si Teresa Redula.
The Philippines economic climate.
Ipinagmamalaki ng komunidad ang maraming tagumpay ng Filipino-Canadian businesses. Pero hindi raw maiwasan ang mga hamon para mas palawakin pa ang negosyo. Ito ang layunin ng Spark Business Forum sa Toronto. Isang plataporma para sa mga negosyante at investors para kumonekta, magbahagi at alamin ang marami pang oportunidad lalo't malapit na ang festival season.
It's a way for us to connect them with people who can get them good products, most especially the raw materials, and also get financing if they need financing.
Isa sa highlights nito ang talakayan na pinangunahan ng Trade Commissioner mula Philippine Trade and Investment Center sa ilalim ng Department of Trade and Industry sa Pilipinas. Aniya, mayroong mga sektor na makatutulong sa Canadian investors habang ibinibida ang Pilipinas.
We are already having a lot of trade and investment projects with Canada, but as I said, marami pang pwedeng gawin. For example, mining and mineral processing, kasi yung Pilipinas is actually one of the largest sources of what we call yung mga critical minerals like nickel, copper, and cobalt. At we call it critical minerals dahil ito yung mga ginagamit na components para sa mga electric vehicle batteries.
Handa rin daw ang konsulado ng Pilipinas na tulungan ang mga negosyo na hinaharap ang mga hamong dulot ng geopolitical uncertainty.
Ginagawa namin, pinag-uugnay yung ating mga kababayan with potential partners nila, whether from the Philippines, with our government, as well as other businesses na may complementary or similar programs that would help amplify yung mga objectives nila.
Isinagawa rin sa forum na ito ang isang panel discussion kung saan ibinahagi ang mga karanasan ng Filipina entrepreneurs at kung paano hindi lang naitataguyod, kundi nakikipagsabayan ng mga negosyo sa mga nagbabagong panahon.
There's a lot of uncertainty in our economy right now, and then of course with the tariffs and just overall, it's the beginning of the year, usually a slower month, and it's good to have this kind of summit so that we can band together and feel like together we can.
Hindi raw maipagkakaila ang kahalagahan ng forum tulad nito, lalo na't patuloy ang pangamba ng maraming negosyo sa posibleng epekto ng bantang taripa ni US President Donald Trump.
We are sending a clear message that Canada will not be bullied. Am I right? We will not be bullied.
Ani Valdez, ito raw ang kauna-unahang business forum na isinagawa ngayong taon at tuloy ang trabaho para maiwasan o labanan ang tariff threat ng Amerika.
For the Filipino community, I haven't really seen this type of forum put together where we're bringing together government, business leaders, the Philippine consulate, and of course the Trade Commissioner, so that we can share ideas about what we need to work on together to help support small and medium-sized enterprises. We're going to do whatever we can to help our economy, to help our workers, and of course to help our small businesses as well.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.